Welcome back, guys. So this is the email that we all want to see. This is the email that we all want to see so that you can know that your account has been certified. Your account has been certified like this one, and you can start working. You need to go to Allison. You need to go to Allison, do a course. As you can see, I've done basics of medical transcription, and you'll receive a certificate like this one. And from there, you're good to go. So if you need help in applying, just DM me and I'll help you out.
So how do you get your account? First of all, let's head to their website. And in order to open the website, I will leave the link in the description for you to go check it out. The link is medcyberwork.com. So in order to log in, or rather in order to know the jobs that are posted in this website, we're going to click here, Work Remotely. And then I'm going to take you through each section so that you understand what you're going to be dealing with. Cyber. And if you're good at typing and you have sharp listening skills and also you know some medical terms, this might be a great fit for you. Now, don't worry about those medical terms because you can get to understand these medical terms as you work. Now, there is something that is very important for you to note. First of all, is that this company is not yet flooded. There are not many people doing it. First of all, most people are lazy to go and read. Now, in order for you to get this account running and also to get it, because you will need some certifications, there is a company called Allison Courses. Here is the company, Allison Courses. Now, with this Allison Courses, if you want to be accepted by Med very quickly, consider doing the certification, and it is a must. It is a must do. Now, Allison is free, okay? To study there is free. All you need is just your laptop and some few hours. For instance, if you're going to study here, make sure that for this particular one, if you want to become a medical transcriptionist, you are supposed to do this certification called AD, that is Association of Healthcare Documentation Integrity. When applying for a transcription position on MedCyber, it is crucial to approach the process thoughtfully to increase your chances of success. One key aspect to consider is the test duration. Even if you already have the answers, completing a 4-hour test in just 1 hour may raise concerns about authenticity. A more strategic approach is to take around 2.5 hours, ensuring your effort appears genuine. Additionally, MedCyber may require a transcription certificate as part of the application process. A reliable and accessible option for obtaining one is Allison.com, which offers free courses and recognized certifications. To streamline your application, it is advisable to secure your certificate before attempting the MedCyber test, ensuring you have all necessary qualifications in place. By following these steps, you demonstrate professionalism, preparedness, and commitment, significantly improving your chances of securing a transcription role.
Are you good in the following sectors? Medical transcription, medical annotation, medical records review, medical data entry, medical research and support services, and medical coding and billing. Then, MedCyber is the site for you. MedCyber is the site for you. That is the link. And that is a brand logo that looks like Sasa. You'll come here and click work remotely Sasa and be able to get paid doing that annotation or transcription for the medical industry. Sasa, go and try this site out and try your luck, because you know one thing, we share information that everyone can be able to do their best. Remember, you have tools that we share with you. The proxies you can always use to create US accounts. Don't create the normal accounts. Sasa, for more pay, create the US accounts. The normal accounts, achia wale wenye bado wanajua hawana hizo tools. Kama wale kuona hizo tools, go and make money. Are you together? So, try your luck and follow, share, and comment for more.
You're not staying in America, then you need a details from that place. All right, let me start from the beginning. To be able to be successful in your qualification test on cyber or MedCyber work, you need to have a little knowledge on on medicals, the terminologies. But it's not a must, it's not a guarantee, because these are things that could be done with AI. There are things that could be done with AI. So, but having knowledge on it will help you more. But even if you don't have, provided you have access to your AI, you are good to go. So to be able to register before coming to the qualification test, you need you need to make your account, and to be able to make your account, to have a good paying rate, like to be able to qualify to take the application, because these are not available for every person, like in different like in African countries. So you need a foreign detail, because if you're not staying in the US, UK, or Canada, you need those details to be able to do that. And I've made several videos on this channel on how to make application on this platform, so you know where to get the details from, how to get it, and the kind of details you need to get. So you need to get those foreign details. Then you need to get your proxy ready. You get your proxy. Then you need anti-detect browser, and I would suggest you use more login. So this is what you need. I've mentioned your foreign details, your proxy, your anti-detect browser, which is your more login. Then you make the application. I'm going to be making a video on the walkthrough on the application process, and when you're done with the application process, that's when you come to the qualification test. If it's transcription, you did. If it's annotation, if it's medical billing, if it's coding, then before you could be able to come to the test, and after the test, then before you start working on this platform. So first of all, go get your foreign detail ready, go get your proxy, go get your more login. Then I'll be uploading a video on a full walkthrough. I'll make a video on a full walkthrough how to go about this process. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and comment what you want me to make video on, and I'm going to make those videos ready. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so that when I drop this video on the full walkthrough, you're going to be notified, and you partake, because a lot of persons have not joined this platform. This platform has been there, it's been there, but people are so, should I say, so lazy to read, so lazy to make their research. So it's not everybody that have been working on this platform. So first come, first serve, and now the platform is not saturated. The right time to take advantage of those jobs, or those remote jobs on the platform. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that when I drop videos on this Mesh Cyber work, then you're gonna be notified. So see you in the next one.